we have done the lat lakara, the present tense. So this is the chart. Ti, taha, anti,
Anti.
si, thaha,
Thaha.
tha, ami,
Ami.
avaha.
Avah. Amah.
Also, we have learned the singular number, dual number, and plural number of nouns like balaha, balau, balaha. Okay. Like balaha, balau, balaha. So in left side, there are different other nouns. You can use according to bala word. So this is akaranta punglinga shabdaha. It means ending masculine words. All these are ending masculine words. Like balaha means one boy, balau two boys, balaha more than two or many boys. So in the same way, deva, how to make one, two, and many?
Deva. Devo. Deva.
Devaha.
Deva.
Nara. Nara.
Naraha. Narau. Naraha.
Naraha. Vriksha.
Vrikshaha. Vrikshau. Vrikshaha.
So there is no problem because meaning is already given there. Kara.
Kara. Karau. Karaha.
Karaha. So dvau karaustaha. That means two karas, two hands are there. Karana. 2 ears are there. How to say 2 ears?
Karnau.
Karanaustaha. Yeah.
Karnaustaha.
Many questions.
Prashnaha.
Prashnaha santi. Yeah.
Santi.
Prashnaha santi. Many questions. One country. Deshaha asti. Okay. Deshaha asti. Many kings are there. There are many kings. Santi. Okay. 2 villages.
Gramau.
Taha. Grama shabda generally used for village, but in Sanskrit, grama also group of fruits, group of people. Just like I can say Indriya grama. What does it mean? A group of senses. Okay. So it doesn't mean village of senses. The group of senses. Okay. Ishwara. One God. There is one God.
Ishwaraha
asti. So the literary meaning of Ishwaraha means master or ruler. But because God is the supreme master, so God is also referred as Ishwara. But anyone, even those kings, leaders, even today those who are president or prime ministers can be known as Ishwara, like Dillishwara, Bharateshwara. Then Vidyalaya. There are 2 schools.
Vidyalayo.
Vidyalayo. Staha. Alaya. So Vidya plus Alaya. So place of learning or house of learning. So Alaya also is a masculine word. It means place or house. So there are so many houses. How to say?
Alayaha
santi. Alayaha santi. Janaka, one father.
Janakaha
asti. One father means Janakaha asti. Okay, here also the literary meaning of Janaka is generator. But it is famous for father. Father also generator, but anyone, anything which generates something can be called Janaka? Putra, many sons.
पुत्राः
पुत्रः अस्ति
Putraha santi.
सन्ति
So make some sentences. 5 kings are there.
Pancha Vipaha Santi.
Pancha nripaha santi. Shovanam, there is only one God. Bharatji.
ईश्वर अस्ति
Ishwaraha asti.
ईश्वर अस्ति
When you say Ishwaraha, it means one God.
ओके got it.
So when you say Ishwarahu, it automatically gives the meaning that 2 gods. So you don't need to use again 1 or 2. Yes, after 2, you have to tell the number to discriminate actually how many people are there. Okay. So that is called a ending masculine word. Nrupa, Grama, Ishwara, etc.
Acharya ji,
Should-
these are only the examples, but there could be many more, right?
Yeah, these are some examples. There may be millions of words, not thousands or 100,000s. There may be millions of words. So these are just examples for your practice. So next we are coming to ending neutral words. Akaranta napunsaka linga shabdaha. So the word is phala. So it will be phalam, phale, phalani.
Me.
So phalam means 1 fruit. Phale means 2 fruits. Phalani, many fruits. Is it okay?
Mhm.
Repeat. Phalam, phale, phalani.
Phalam, phale, phalani.
Okay.
पदं
So-
फले फलानि
In the same way, so other words in left side, all are ending neutral words,
Jnanam.
and they all will follow the same pattern as the phala word. Jnana,
Jnanam.
ज्ञानं
Jnane.
ज्ञाने ज्ञानानि
Jnanani.
yes, jnanam. First listen me. Jnanam, jnane, jnanani.
Jnanam.
Bhojana.
Jnane. Jnanani.
Yes.
Bhojanam.
भोजनं
Bhojane. Bhojanani.
Bhojanani, good. Pustaka,
Pustakam.
पुस्तके
Pustake. Pustakani.
कानि
Pustakani. Pushpa,
Pushpam.
पुष्पे
Pushpe. Pani.
कानि
Pushpani. Phala,
फलं
Phalam, phale, phalani.
Ani. Jala,
Jalam.
जले
Jale.
जलानि
Jalani.
Satya,
Satyam. Satye. Satyani.
Griha.
Griham. Grihe. Grihani.
So you know the meanings of all the words, okay?
Mhm.
It's already there also. Next, Anna. Anna means food.
Annam.
अनं अन्ने अन्नानि
Annani. Trina. Trina.
तृणं
Trinam.
तृणानि
Trine. Trinani.
तृणानि
Trinani. Patra.
Patram. Patre. Patrani.
त्रीणि
Patrani. Sharira.
Shariram. Sharire. Ani.
Sharirani. Shastra.
Shastram. Shastre. Shastrani.
स्थानि
Thana.
स्थानानि
Thanam.
स्थाने
Thanani.
Nayana.
Nayanam. Nayane. Nayanani.
Nayanani. Mastaka.
Mastakam. Maste. Mastakani.
Vastra.
Vastram. Vastre. Vastrani.
Okay. 5 shastras are there. 5 books are there. How to say 5 shastras?
शास्त्राणि सन्ति
Santi.
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 Pancha shastrani santi. There is one thing about Shastra. When you say Shastra, Generally, what do you mean?
Science.
Spiritual
Shastra is
spiritual
science.
books.
Spiritual books or
Yes.
scriptures.
Yeah.
But that is not the truth. Shastra means not scripture or spiritual or religious books.
Mhm.
What you will call in Hindi physics, Bhautika Shastra.
Bhautik Shastra, yes.
What will be chemistry?
Rasayan Shastra.
Rasayan Shastra.
Rasayana Shastra. What will be economics?
Arthashastra.
Arthashastra.
So is there any spirituality or religious things in economics or physics
No,
or Rasayana? No.
No. No.
Philosophy, what we call Darshana Shastra.
Yeah.
Books on religion is called Dharma Shastra.
Okay.
So those books related to Dharma, they are called Dharma Shastra. Shastra means instruction or teaching or rule. Okay?
Of a particular subject.
Of a particular subject. Generally in Sanskrit, we use Shastra to refer a text or treatise on a specific field of knowledge. The similar meaning to English of Shastra is like you use logi, ecology, psychology,
Okay.
related
Zoology.
like this, philology, like this. Like Bhautika Shastra, you say physics. Rasayana Shastra, you say chemistry.
Prani
Biology.
Shastra.
हाँ जी जी
Prani Shastra, zoology.
Prani Shastra, yeah, or Jiva Shastra is biology.
Ji.
The architectural science is called Vastu Shastra. Science of mechanical arts and sculpture is called Shilpa Shastra. Economics and politics is called Artha Shastra. Natya Shastra, the textbook about drama, dance is called Natya Shastra. So remember the difference between Shastra and other literature. So Shastra means there are some teaching or instructions on a specific field of knowledge. That's how it is called Shastra. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So now make some sentences based on akaranta neutral words.
Dve
Yes.
pustake
Taha.
ha.
Dve pustake staha. Good. Ati
Dve
shobhanam.
pustake staha.
त्रीणि पुस्तकानि
Santi.
सन्ति
Shobhanam. Trini pustakani santi. Good.
Pancha Pushpani
Santi.
Santi.
Oh, shobhanam. Pancha pushpani santi. Ati shobhanam.
Sapta phalani santi.
Sapta phalani santi.
Ashta grihani santi.
Santi. Shobhanam. Ashta grihani santi. So next we are coming to feminine words. A ending feminine words. Akaranta strilinga shabdaha. You understand strilinga?
Yeah.
Feminine gender. Linga means gender. Stri means female. Shabda means words. Akara means a letter. Anta means end. A letter ending feminine gender words. So the first word is a bala. Bala means girl. So one girl is a bala. Two girls are bale.
Bale. Bala.
Many girls are balaha. So repeat with me. Say bala, bale, balaha.
Bala, bale, bala.
Okay. So now lata. Lata means creeper or vine. Lata, late, lataha.
Lata.
Late, lata.
So everyone now just to go through singular, dual and plural. Katha.
Katha, kathe, katha.
Katha means story.
Yeah.
Krida.
क्रीडा क्रीडे क्रीडा
क्रीडाः विद्या
विद्या विद्ये विद्याः
बाला
बाला बाले बालाः
रमा
रमा रमे रमाः
मुद्रा
मुद्रा मुद्रे मुद्राः
मुद्रा means seal, जो स्टाम्प करते हैं, giving a stamp or sealing, and coin or currency. Currency also called as mudra. In ancient time, there was no paper currency, so everything was coin. So that's how mudra is known as coin. But now, instead of coin, you can say currency. Mudra. So mudra, mudre, mudraha. Rambha.
रंभा रंभे रंभाः
You know, Rambha means kela, banana. And also Rambha means the banana tree, the plantain tree.
Rambha is also a name, right?
Yeah, that is also a name. Next is Mala.
माला माले मालाः
Malaha. Yeah, Sabha.
सभा सभे सभा
Sabha means meeting, assembly, gathering. Chaya.
छाया छाये छायाः
Chayaha. Shobha.
शोभा शुभे शुभाः
You know, Shobha means splendor. Shobha means shining. Shobha means beautiful. Beauty, not beautiful, beauty. Shobha means splendor. So these are the different meanings. Rekha.
रेखा रेखे रेखाः
So Rekha means what? Line. Sandhya.
संध्या संधे संध्याः
Sandhyaha. So Sandhya means evening and morning, because the root word is Sandhi. Sandhi means union. So where two things are meeting, that is called Sandhi. So morning and evening are called twilight period, because day and night meet there in that particular time. So that's how morning and evening are called Sandhya. It's not only evening, it's both morning and evening. Bhasha.
भाषे भाषाः
Bhashaha. Jaya.
जाया जाये जायाः
Kanya. Kanya.
कन्या कन्ये कन्याः
Kanyaha. Okay. Make some sentences. So then we'll move to next. Pancha kathaah santi.
अष्टः मालः सन्ति
Shobhanam. Ashta malaha santi. Ati shobhanam. Very good.
पञ्च रेखाः सन्ति
Shobhanam. Pancha rekhaah santi. Shobhanam.
एकं कन्या अस्ति
Eka kanya asti. 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 3 different genders.
Oh.
So like if you are using one girl, so eka kanya, one boy, ekaha balaha, one fruit, ekam phalam. Up to 4, there are 3 genders. After 4, all are in same one gender only. You can say pancha balikaha, 5 girls, pancha balakaha, 5 boys, pancha phalani, 5 fruits. No gender problem. Okay. So now E ending feminine words like nadi, nadi, nadyau, nadyah. Can you repeat?
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः
So this is E ending feminine gender words. The first word is nadi, river. Nadi, nadyau, nadyah. Is it okay? Nadyah, the plus ya. So see the Roman script. dy, it's dya.
Dev. Hmm.
So the ya, that is dya. Nadi, nadyau, nadyah. Is it clear? One river, two rivers, many rivers. If you want to say one town, two towns, or many towns, nagari.
Nagari.
Nagari,
Nagari, nagari or
Nagaraha.
nagraha.
Nagara.
Okay, here it is little bit tricky. So you have to use ya, nagari, nagaryau, nagaryah. So in the same way, Prithvi, so Prithvi, first listen me, Prithvi, Prithvyau, Prithvyah. So what you will do in dual number and plural number, drop the E sound, instead of E, put yau and yah.
Okay.
Rest up will be the same. Just drop the E sound.
Okay.
Like nagari, nagari first is okay. In dual number, drop the E, it will
Nagaryo.
become nagar, then yau,
Yau.
nagaryau, nagaryah.
Nagaryah.
Prithvi, prithvyau, prithvyau,
Prithvyah.
prithvyah. Is it clear?
Yeah.
In the same way, vani.
Vadi, vadyo, vadyah.
Very good. Vani, vanyo, vanyah. If anyone has any doubt, please let me know. Janani,
Janani, jananyo, janyana.
jananyah. Yeah. Patni, wife.
Patni, patnyo, patnyah.
Patnyah. Bhagini,
Bhagini, bhaganyo, bhaganyah.
bhaginyah. Grihini,
Grihiri, grihadyo, grihadah.
grihini, you know, grihi means the householder person. Grihini, householder lady. Putri, daughter.
Putri, putryo, putrah.
Triyaha. There are some other words.
Yeah.
Dhatri.
Dhatri, dhatryo, dhatrah.
Dhatri means nurse. Okay.
Nurse.
Sharvari means night. Sharvari, sharvaryau, sharvaryah.
Sarvari,
Sarvaryo,
sarvyo,
sarvaryah.
sarvyah.
Sarvaryah.
Sarvaryah.
Yes. Bhagavati, Devi, Devi.
Devi, devyo, devyah.
Devyah. Bhagavati.
Bhagavati, bhagavatyo,
Bhagavatyau,
bhagavatyah.
Bhagavatyah. Rajani.
Rajani, rajanyo, rajanyah.
Rajani also night. Srimati.
Srimati, srimatyo, srimatyah.
So we have also Srimati ji here with us. So Srimati ji, what is the meaning of your name?
Yes.
So many names. Venerable, glorious, wealthy, pleasant, fortunate,
Wow.
charming, and
Wow.
beautiful.
She
Wow.
has all those names. She has all those personalities.
Yes, yes, yes. All that. So how it is like this? The root word is Shri. Shri means glory, wealth, pleasure, fortunate, charming, beauty. All these are, there are 6 meanings of Shri. So those who have Shri, if it is a masculine, a male, then he or she will be called a Shriman. If it is a lady, she will be known as Shrimati. But in Hindi or in modern Indian languages, Shrimati is famous for Mrs. and Shriman is famous for Mr. or the married man and married woman. But in Sanskrit, nowhere that type of references are available. In Sanskrit, Srimati means not married woman or Mrs. Nothing. Srimati means beautiful, charming, venerable, glorious, wealthy, fortunate.
Srimati word can be used for miss.
In Sanskrit, Srimati is used for any lady, married or unmarried, even
Okay.
small child,
Thank you.
if you,
Thank you.
as an adjective.
Ji, thank you.
As it. But in modern Indian languages, Srimati used only for married women. So today we learn about the A ending neutral, A ending feminine, and E ending feminine. Now we will come to learn some verbs. So we already learned this one. Pathati, patataha, pathanti. Is it clear?
Mm.
So we'll just practice some new root words. Pat, pathati, patataha, pathanti. Has,
Asati, hastah, santi.
Santi.
vad.
Vadati.
Vadati,
Vadataha.
vadatah, vadanti.
So everyone practice it. Just practice. Pach.
Pachati.
Pachati,
Pachataha.
Pachati,
Pachanti.
pachatah, pachanti.
So pachati means to cook. Okay. Okay. Raksha.
Rakshati, rakchatah, rakchanti.
Rakchanti.
Rakshati means to protect, to care, to risk, to save. So related meanings. All are interrelated meanings. Nam.
Namati,
Namati, namatah, namanti.
Namanti. So nam, you already know. Nam means to bow.
Yes.
Aham namami, tvam namasi, vayam namamaha. Creed.
Kridati, kridata,
Kridata,
Kridanta.
Creedanti.
Kridanti.
Khad.
I'm in the class.
Khadati. Khadataha. Khadanti.
taha, khadanti.
Chal.
Chalati,
Chalati, chalatah, chalanti.
planti.
Tyaj.
Tyajati.
Tejati, tejatah, tejanti.
So tyaj means to give up, to leave, or to quit. So from tyaj, the noun is made that tyaga.
Yeah.
Tyaga, the root word of tyaga is tyaj. Okay, some other verbs. So these are some verbs. Watch carefully. The root word is something else, but when you are making those root words as verb, their form is little changed. Like bhu means to be, but when you are using in verb, it will be bhav, not bhu, bhuti, bhutah, bhuvanti. It will become bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti. Gam is root to go, but when you
Gacchati,
are
gachatah,
using as verb, it will
gachanti.
become gacchati, gachatah, gachanti.
Gachanti. Tisthati, tisthati, tishtatah, tishtanti.
Stha means to stay. So how to make a sentence? Aham grihe tisthami. I stay in home. Saha tatra tisthati. He stays there. Tvam atra tisthasi. You stay here. G. The root word is G, but as a verb you have to use jayati, jayatah, jayanti. Is it clear? Jayati means winning.
Meaning.
Yeah.
Ni. Ni means to take, to lead, or to carry. But it will become nay, nayati, nayatah.
Nayati, nayatah,
nayati.
nayanti.
So drish. Drish means to see, but in verb you have to use pashyati, pashyatah,
Tatah,
pashyanti.
pashyanti.
Pa.
Pivati,
Pivat, pivatah, pivanti.
Pivanti.
Yes. Pibati, pibatah, pibanti. Sad.
Sidati,
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 Sidata,
sidatah, sidanti.
Sidati, sidatah, sidanti.
Sidanti.
Gra.
Jigrati,
Jigra.
Jigrati.
jigrati, jigratah, jigranti.
Jigranti.
Gra means to smell. Jigrati, jigratah, jigranti. Okay. Okay. Again, repeat with me. Ti, taha, anti.
Titah, anti.
Ti, taha, tha.
Sithah, tha.
Ami, avah, amaha.
Ami,
Avaha. Ama.
This is called lit lakara.
Lit lakara.
Lit lakara means future tense.
Future.
So like you will go, I will go, he will go. Till now, we have learned present tense, that is called lat lakara. I go, you are going, he is going, and all this. So this is the chart of suffix. Practice with me. See, the ti, taha, anti is still there. Practice it. Ti, taha, anti.
Anti.
But when you are using them in future tense, add
Ishyanti.
ishya, ishya, add
Ishya.
ishya. Practice with me. Say ishyati,
Ishyati.
ishyataha,
Ishyataha.
ishyanti.
Ishyanti.
In present tense, si, thaha, tha.
Si,
Ti, tha, tha.
So when you are using it in future tense, ishyasi, ishyatha, ishyatha.
Ishyasi. Ishyatha. Ishyatha.
In present tense, ami, avaha, amaha.
Ami, avaha, amah.
In future tense, ishyami,
Ishyami.
ishyavaha,
Shyavaha.
ishyamaha.
Shyamaha.
Okay? Okay, take an example. Pat. Practice with me. Say patishyati,
Patishyati.
patishyataha.
Patishyatan.
Okay.
Patishyanti.
First listen me, then practice. Patishyati, patishyataha, patishyanti. Now your turn.
Patishyati. Patishyataha. Patishyanti.
Okay. Patishyasi, patishyatha, patishyatha.
Patishyasi. Patishyataha. Patishyatha.
Patishyami, patishyavaha, patishyamaha.
Patishyami. Patishyavaha. Patishyamaha.
Okay. So we'll make some sentences. But it's done. Senji. Has.
Oh, wow.
Has. How to make in future tense. So there is a sample. Patishyati, patishyata, patishyanti. Has.
Yeah.
Saroji, I'm
I have to understand the question again. I'm confused right now.
Okay, you have to make future tense of has dhatu following the pattern of pat.
Hashisyati, hashisyata,
Shanti.
hashishyanti.
Okay, good. Rupaji, vad.
Vadyasti,
Vadishyati, vadishyataha.
vadishyati, vadishyataha, vadishyanti.
Good. Prakashji.
Patishyati, patishyata, patishyanti.
Okay, so Sarojji, Creed.
Kridashyati,
No, wait. Sarojji, wait. Creedi. Creedishyati. Creedi. You have to use add e. Creedi.
Kridashyati.
Yeah.
Kridashyati,
Creedishyataha. Creedishyanti.
kridashyanti.
Okay. Who is next? Bharatji. Khad.
Khadashyati.
Khadi. Always remember to use e. E is important. Khadi.
Khadishyati.
Huh.
Khadishyata. Khadishyanti.
Shobhanam. Umaji. Chal.
Chalishyati, chalishyataha, chalishyanti.
Chalishyanti. Lakshmanji. Pat. Lakshmanji.
Patishyati, patishyata, patishyanti.
Okay. Kapilji. Has.
Hasyati, hasyasta.
Hasishyataha. Hasishyanti.
Hasyasyasi.
Ranjanaji. Vad.
Vadishyati, vadishyataha, vadishyanti.
Rajivji. Raksha.
Rakshishyati, rakshishataha, rakshishyanti.
Okay, good. Next time you will practice more. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve santu niramayah.
Sarve santu niramayah.
Sarve bhadrani pashyantu.
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु
मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्।
मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्।
ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
नमस्ते एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच।
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और वीडियो अच्छा लगे लाइक भी जरूर करें।